Assalamu alaikum, Imran bhai. My name is also Imran, and I'm also from Hyderabad. Yeah, it was an awesome speech and presentation by you. And I would like to ask one thing, like due to the movies misinterpretation, or it's a most of the youth are influenced by a message that. Most of the young generation is being influenced to antisocial elements with the same Quran, saying that this has been written in Quran. Like actually, I don't have much knowledge about Quran, and they are saying like my friends posed me like some kind of question. See, this Mumbai blast and Kasab when was interrogated, he was telling that like his dead body will be smelling. With a pleasant smell after his death when he gives us to death in a jung. I mean, jung में जब लड़ते हैं तो उसका अपना what the yeah it will be are these facts of Quran or the misinterpretation given to the young
Brother has said that he is from Hyderabad. Mashallah, I feel very happy to meet another Hyderabadi brother here in Kerala. And Alhamdulillah, but living with our Kerala brothers who are all Muslims, this is the beauty of Islam. From wherever you are, if you have La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah on your tongue and in your heart, we are all brothers and sisters to each other, mashallah, irrespective of our caste, class and regions, mashallah. Now coming to your main part of the question, youth getting motivated by wrong propaganda through internet and all this stuff, you're absolutely right. A lot of Muslim youth who are getting arrested and who have some ideology where they feel ISIS is right, it's happening only because they learn Islam from internet. I was counseling a few youth. I asked them, what is your qualification? One of them said he's an engineer. I said, if you are an engineer, did you go to college for your engineering classes or you learnt it on internet? So he said, no, I went to the college. For college studies, you go to the college for becoming an engineer, and for Islam and understanding Quran, you go to the internet to learn it. This is because you and me today are feeling that the youth are moving away from the scholars. They are trying to interpret Islam by their own selves, and this is a serious problem today. Those youth who are learning Islam from internet, I warn them, this is going to pull you to hellfire. Please be careful. Be attached to the ijma, to the consensus, to the majority of the Muslim groups. Be attached to the Muslim ulema. Keep yourself connected with them to learn Islam through them. That is the best way to learn Islam. And the whole problem is we are not propagating this message. You start propagating this message in the right context, inshallah all the problems will end. Wa akhiru dawan alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, bhai.